Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing a subscription box. This is a more like premium subscription box, and this is from Toyl, Time of Your Life. So if you want to see what's inside in Toyl March 2022, just keep on watching. Before I start, lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again. Thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, if you're new to Toyl, this is a monthly premium beauty subscription box. It costs £35 a month, including the shipping fee, and every month you will receive new beauty products from skincare to makeup. And if you want to subscribe to this subscription box, I have my referral code, which is Jayca, Jayca, and you will receive your box for only £30, including the shipping fee. So yes, all the info, as always, all the link will be in the description box below. Let's open this box. The other good thing about this subscription box, lovelies, that they release every month, they release a spoiler on 18th of every month, and they will show you the products inside, and you decide if you want to pause it or continue with subscription box. So when you open it, lovelies, it says Toyl Beauty for Life. Welcome to this month's Toyl box. We hope you love it. And then we have the leaflet, and it says welcome to your Toyl box March 2022. The caring box, caring for you, caring for others, worth £117. We are proud to announce that the Toyl March 2022 box supports Safe Lives, a charity committed to ending domestic abuse for all. Wow, this is a nice one. And it says also that what's coming up in April, and we are going to be moving into spring. Hooray! Not only this, I've mixed it up a bit for April, including products that we haven't had for a while to help us look even more amazing. Is there an extra treat? All will be revealed on 18th of March. And this subscription, lovelies, it targets more women over 40, but in my opinion, as I said in my other videos too, that for me this one is for all ages, because I'm under 40 but I still use every single product in this box. And then we have the blue tissue paper here, and then let's open it. So the first product inside, it's really a big product, and this is my favorite product, lovelies. This is from Elemis, the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is super cleansing treatment balm. It has 100 grams. This is a full size, definitely. And inside, so we have, I don't know what we have in here. Let's see. Oh, we have the cloth, makeup cloth one, which is nice. It's really a good size too. And it says Elemis here. It smells gorgeous, lovelies. It says Elemis here, and it's so soft. And then we have the product, so big. Here we go. And as I said, lovelies, this is my favorite product. It's like a balm. I'll show you. Oh, it smells nice. It's like a balm. You just need to wet your face, apply this product, and then do a circular motion on your eyes, all over your face, and your makeup will melt. Even the waterproof mascara, lovelies, even waterproof makeup, this product will take it off. I love this product. I think I have few in here in my collection, because I really do like it. It's really good also when you travel, because you don't need to bring with you the liquid product. This one itself, it's really good. It acts also as a cleanser one. I still use a face wash. When I use this one, I feel that I clean my face properly. So yes, love it. I'm glad that we have in here. And this one, it's retail for £44, and it says look at this fabulous luscious rich cleanser. Not only that, we have the full 100 gram boxed cleanser with cleansing cloth. This is their #1 bestseller for you to try. How lucky are we? This product has 3 different textures. It nourishes as a balm, as a cleansing oil, and hydrates as a cleansing milk. In short, this is a great product that becomes more liquid as you remove it. Try it. Cleansing will never be the same. I agree. And also the oil feeling on your face, not really that heavy oily one. It's really lightweight. So yes, thumbs up. So we have from Strivectin, and this is the NIA 114 Tighten and Lift TL Advanced Thickening Neck Cream Plus. I think this is a full size. It has 30 ml, and this one is retail for 49 pounds. Wow, very expensive product. And inside it looks like this. And this one, it says, this #1 best-selling cream exclusively for the neck and décolleté just got upgraded. This powerful cream features the breakthrough Gravitate CF Lifting Complex to improve skin elasticity and provide visible lifts while smoothing the appearance of horizontal necklines and sagging. Visibly tighten, lifts, and firm the neck for more youthful looking profile, smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles on the neck and décolleté, and targets creepy texture, strengthen the skin barrier to prevent moisture loss, and diminishes the look of discoloration. Sounds nice. Can't wait to try it. And then we have from Skin Iceland, this is the dissolving micro needle eye patches. Tried few eye patches from this brand, and it's really good. And this is with hyaluronic acid and peptide. This one has 1 pair of eye patches, and it's retail for 14 pounds, and it says packed with hyaluronic acid and peptides. This pioneering press-on treatment patches featuring advanced bioactive dissolving micro needles that melt down into skin surface layers to help hydrate, firm, and smooth the appearance of fine line around the delicate area. The teeny tiny, as in skinnier than a strand of hair, tiny spikes are prickly but gentle, and in case you are wondering, do not hurt one bit. So yeah, try this one. And then the last product we have here, and this is a 2 products. You will get 2 of this Emma Hardy Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. Emma Hardy is really a great brand, and this one is retail of 10 pounds each, so it's 20 pounds. And it says here, there are 2 of these in your box, 1 for you and 1 for your friend. This award-winning rich, intense, hydrating face mask helps improve skin moisture, radiance, firmness, and also help to smooth out deep wrinkles. So yes, I never tried this one, and it says it contains hyaluronic acid that helps firm, condition, and moisturize the skin, and Moringa oleifera seed oil to leave the skin feeling more vibrant, plump, and radiant. It also contains red algae, which reduces the appearance of pigmentation spots and leaves the skin more luminous. I never tried this one, so I will try this one and then I'll let you know. So here we go. So that's it for this month. So let's do a recap, lovelies. So you'll receive not 1 but 2 from Emma Hardy, the Moringa Renewal Treatment Mask. And then you will receive the Skin Iceland, the dissolving microneedle eye patches. And then you will receive in this box the Strivectin Tighten Neck Cream Plus. And then you will receive the fuses from Elemis, the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm with cleansing cloth. Wow, just wow. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. For me, this mask is really a thumbs up. I love the cleansing balm. I love Emma Hardy, and as I said, I really enjoy using the Skin Iceland product. The Strivectin, I never tried products from this brand, so I would try it. So yes, definitely it's a really great box this month. It's a thumbs up, and I highly recommend it. So yes, that's all for my lovelies. And you, what do you think of this box, lovelies? Are you waiting for this box? Are you thinking to subscribe to Toyl? If yes, I have my referral code, which is JAYCA, JAYCA, and you will get this box for only 30 pounds, and the product is worth over 117 pounds. So wow, just wow. So yes, that's all for me, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget click the notification bell so you know when I upload the video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye!